Just look at me. So I heard the girlies want more talking videos. So let's do my makeup. I don't really know what y'all want to talk about. So as I can tell you about myself. So I'm Zoe, better known as Zoe Michaela or Z-Mac, whichever one. I'm 24. Today, I woke up, installed my wig, and I'm gonna get ready for work. I don't go to work until 4. It's currently 1 o'clock. I woke up so that I had enough time to install my wig and actually get ready. I currently work as a host at a restaurant here in Huntsville. And I'm also, right now, a part-time makeup artist, but in due time, I will be able to transition into being a full-time makeup artist, God willing. But right now, I'm okay with where I'm at. I don't know what to talk about. That's the thing. This is my oasis. This is what I do. I listen to music, I vibe out, and I get ready for my day. And I feel like this is the only time I get to spend with myself. But I want to start sharing it with y'all because y'all see me get ready. And so this is how I get ready. I hope this isn't boring. I installed my wig this morning. That video should already be uploaded, so pause me, go like that one, come back to this one. Thanks. I'm a drugstore girly till the day I die. I'm gonna start using more high-end products soon, maybe if I get some PR. Drugstore girly down. Right now, I'm using E.l.f. Girl Pro Conceal in medium beige because it's still winter time and I'm pale. Now that my eyebrows are finished, I should be able to do a little bit more talking. What do y'all want to know? Let's talk about how my February has gone. I've been doing things for myself, by myself, just taking myself into consideration more, which is why I've started to like invest into me more. I started bar. That's really fun. If you're ever like interested, they do offer like the first class free, and then you can sign up. I did my first free class, and then I signed up for the monthly. That's another thing. I can't focus when I'm talking and doing my makeup. My favorite part about makeup is the coming together of it all because I be looking crazy. But the end result always eats every single time. So I also don't record my makeup a lot because I change up how I do my makeup almost every day. I've been sticking to the same routine lately. I change things. It's not always the same. I like to see what works and what doesn't. The application is the important part. The steps aren't that important, but the application and the technique of it, yes, absolutely. This is my therapy. This is what I like to do. I sit in front of a mirror and look at myself as much as I can. And I think everybody should do that. If you don't look at yourself, you don't see the beauty that other people see. You're gorgeous, babe. Why aren't you looking at yourself? One thing about it, you can't call me ugly. You can't tell me I'm ugly. I might be ugly to you, but so? And at the end of the day, if I don't like what I'm looking at in the mirror, that's my problem. And working in the service industry, I understand now that there are a lot of miserable people out here that will project onto you how they feel about themselves, or like just being rude or just mean for no reason. That's how you feel about yourself. That's how you talk to yourself. So you're not going to talk that way to me. And that's what I've learned in the service industry. If you don't feel the best about yourself, that's a personal problem. Why are you projecting that to everybody else? I'm one of those people, if we can be quiet, I'm not gonna say much unless I'm just that comfortable with you. But I don't know y'all. So I'm not gonna talk y'all head off, because then y'all gonna think I'm weird, which I am, and that's okay. But I don't need y'all knowing that. Duh. But my 2024 has been going very well. Can we get into the fact that drugstore makeup works just as well as high-end makeup? This right here, she's held me down for years. I don't need to spend $40 on a powder. Would I like to? Yes. But I like to maintain my tax bracket. I had a silk press for February, for the month of February, because I am a wig lover. I have a total, a lot of people ask me this too. I have a total of, last time I counted, I have a total of 14 wigs. I recently bought another one that I actually ended up selling because I actually don't like that one for me. And then I'm gonna buy another one, so that'll be 15. But I also throw out my wigs occasionally. I mean, like, it's gone through the process of getting a new closure, gone through the process of being cut into a bob because the hair isn't good anymore. Like, I have saved a lot of my wigs by cutting them into bobs. I'm gonna buy another one. I really love Blonde Me. This girl right here, her. She'll be back soon. This song right here. My theme song. I feel like everybody has to have a theme song. When I was younger, my theme song was Milkshake and Bossy. I don't have to explain much more. Everybody had a song they shouldn't have been singing when they were younger, so don't look at me like that. And also, editing this video is going to take so much longer because if I feel like I said something and I sound stupid, I'm going to cut it out. Then there's going to be gaps in the video because I didn't cut it out. But I'm going to try not to do that. I'm going to try to be less critical of myself. I don't want to be an influencer because I'm not trying to influence nobody to do nothing with their life that they don't want to do. That's not me. I don't care to be that. So I've adopted the term beauty enthusiast. Do we like it? If not, I don't care. I want to influence y'all to buy something that I don't even use. If hair companies want to start sending me wigs, I've been sending emails. Ain't nobody emailed me back. So when y'all saw that last video, y'all saw how lovely I melted this lace. Mega look. I'm talking to you. But yeah, I'm not interested in being an influencer. I'm interested in being a girl that does her makeup well. Remind you every single day that you are that girl and you don't need makeup. You just like to do makeup because, let's get into it, makeup is optional for everybody. I don't have to put all this makeup on. I don't have to sit up here and waste 2-3 hours getting ready in the mirror every single day, but I'd love to do it. I love to enhance what God has already given me. If you don't like to do that, that's on you. But I highly encourage everyone to sit down in front of a mirror or stand in front of a mirror and just speak life into yourself. Speak life into other people, but make sure that you're doing it to you. My favorite song right now that I listen to a lot, this is a neo soul playlist on Spotify, but my favorite song on this, or one of my favorite songs on this, is called Take Care by Kirby. Just listen to what she's saying. Literally, like, my philosophy now. You have to be the main character in your story. If you're not your biggest supporter, how can you expect for somebody else to be? Can't nobody tell me nothing about me. I'm very excited to see what the rest of the quarters of the year have in store for me. Quarter one goal was self-love and compassion. So self-love for myself and then compassion for others. Because at the end of the day, we're all human. We all have done something that we regret. We've all done things. So if anybody's ever looked at you with their nose upturned saying that, oh, it could never be me, it could. It could. Be nice to people. What you being mean for? You being mean to me shows that you're not nice to yourself. And I used to be a mean girl. We all gotta learn somewhere. And then it happened to me. And I was like, I get it. I got it. It could be you. You could be next. You could be the example. Another thing I've learned. Everybody gotta be stupid one time. You have to go through the experience of being stupid for you to understand it. Because there's been a lot of times where I'm like, oh, I would never be that stupid. I would never be that. I would never. I was humbled. Well, then you gotta talk about it. What's everybody's favorite part of their makeup? Just the process of it and getting ready. And don't let me be getting ready to like go out, because that's a whole vibe in itself. And I feel like every girl should have that feeling of getting ready to go out with your friends, and it's just like that main character energy. When I walk into a room, you can't tell me that that room is not mine. Confidence is the best accessory that a woman can wear. I need confident women to get back on the radar, because these young girls are scaring me. It's getting out of hand. Or letting a man tell you your worth, and that's wrong. But everybody gotta be stupid. You see? See where I'm going with that? I want to bring back dancing in the club. Can we talk about it? Can we get into it? Don't get me wrong. A nice little rap sesh, a nice little Dolph Preach. It's okay. But I'm trying to dance. Trying to see if your hips really move. This summer, all these TikTok dancing, cut it out. And I think 2016 was such a good summer because of the quality of music that we had. Maybe I'm just old, and that's okay. I don't need to be in the club no way. But at the same time, I want to be in the club. I want to be with the young kids. Dope, but I'm a kid. I'm learning. I'm navigating. I'm trying to experience things. But I have the experience to where I can tell somebody else, like, hey, I went through it. Maybe you shouldn't. It's to be less of conviction and more of redirection. Reason to convict me of something that you did as well. And that's the word for another day. That's my favorite part. That, inner corner highlight, and lips are my favorite part of my makeup routine. And setting spray. Definitely setting spray. I love me a good soft glam. Soft glam was the best thing that ever happened to the makeup industry, and you can't convince me otherwise. I'm sorry. Fresh comb makeup was cute. You know, I did my fair share of natural faces for the girlies that needed to see it. A soft glam? I'm gonna do it every time. I'm gonna do it every day. When it comes to makeup, it's gonna be soft glam or nothing at all. I don't really know how much more to it, how else to explain it. If I'm putting on makeup, I'm gonna put on makeup. I'm not gonna put on 2 dots of makeup and say my face is beat. Absolutely not. Have I done that before? Yes, because you know, sometimes you just wanna feel fresh. Sometimes you just wanna feel put together. But this is how I feel put together. Full beat. Every single time. Give me a good beat. You could be saying I'm doing too much. And I don't care. Because whose life is it? Mine. Whose world is it? Mine. You have your world, I have mine. If your world is a fresh face or no makeup at all, or simply eyelash extensions, or a little brush of the brow and some chapstick, let that be you. Let that be your Roman Empire, babe. But I'm dying on my hill, and it's a full bead every time. New lip combo. Black eyeliner. I'm gonna diffuse that as much as I can because I don't want it to show up as black. I want it to be more brown. The concealer that I used earlier, putting that in the middle. And yes, I look crazy. It's all gonna come together. Just hold on. Brown lip liner. Because this lip liner is the Brownie lip liner by Juvias Place. Love her down. She's just not brown enough for me. Like, it's so creamy. It's just not a deep enough brown for me. So I think I'm actually going to go pick up MAC Chestnut because that's a new favorite of mine. And I thought this was going to be a dupe for it, but it's just not brown enough for me. So we're going to make it work. This is only $10, so I'm not mad. And MAC Chestnut is like $24. I'm giving a fair warning before y'all go out and buy this. I'm going to go get the clear one because I actually do really like this product. But this right here, she's spicy. She burns. She burns for about an hour, but I love it. I'm a plump girly. Hold on. I'm a plump girly. Pout Balm. This is the Essence Lip Plump. I didn't use this up, but it's in Flower Blossom. It was a light pink color too. As y'all can see, I have a favorite color of lip plumpers. Don't get it on your tongue, because I got it on my tongue one time. Tip of my tongue got a little numb. A little bit goes a long way. Just gonna put that on. That's how I got it on my tongue last time, but I didn't do it that time because I just didn't want it to get on my teeth. Then I'm gonna take the NYX Butter Gloss in Lava Cake, and I'm gonna line my lips with that. And it's already tingling, y'all. Ooh. Oh, and that is the lip combo. I'm trying to decide if I even want to put on, if I want to do highlighter, but I always do highlighter on my inner corner. That's one of my favorite parts of my makeup. I just love doing makeup. I don't care. I don't have a favorite step, but I do. I have parts of my makeup routine that just make me go like, ee. So I'm gonna do the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and part of me doesn't even want to put it in my inner corner for right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, actually, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. This is what that looks like. I'm gonna use that because I think I want to keep this matte. Yeah, so that way I still get the brightness without the shimmer. I'm gonna do one last spray, and then my glam is gonna be done, you know? I really hope y'all like this video, because if y'all do like this video, I'm gonna do a lot more talking videos. And since this is TikTok, I have 10-minute videos. So I really hope y'all like this. And I'm also gonna upload a non-talking version, just in case y'all just want me to shut my mouth and do my makeup, then I will gladly do that. Oh, I ate that up. I ate that up. I ate that install up. Bro. I amaze myself every time. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with myself. Wig details. This is the wig that I unboxed a couple videos ago. So if you're looking for the details on this wig, it's just an old wig that I just put back on. So yeah, let me know if y'all like this video. I know this is giving like YouTube tease, but I do have a YouTube channel, so if I need to start transitioning back over there, then I will. But I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you're not following me, you're wrong. If you didn't like this video already, you're wrong. I'll wait. Thank you. Bye, lovelies.